Hello students. In the last video we have discussed about some examples. Today also I am here with little different examples. If you see, then you will come to know that which are the different points are there. Look here. This is the first example in front of you. Bansi has 3 times as, look here, it's very important. You should not get confusion. Bansi has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as he has 5 rupee coins. Bansi has 3 times as many 2 rupees coins as he has 5 rupee coins. If he has in all a sum of rupee 77, how many coins of each denomination does he have? It's very important. Look here. Once again I read the example and I will explain what is the exact situation, what is the exact condition in the example. Bansi has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as he has 5 rupee coins. Do you understand means what? Bansi is having 3 times 2 rupee coins as compared to the 5 rupee coins. Means suppose Bansi is having 1 5 rupees coins, then as compared to the 5 rupees coins he is having 3 times 2 rupees coins. Means suppose he is having 1 5 rupee coin, then 3 2 rupees coin. Are you getting? Then if he has in all a sum of rupee 77, if he has in all a sum of rupees, means total rupees he is having here in the second line. In this line it is told, in these first 2 lines it is explained over here. Those first 2 lines are regarding to the coins, but this third line is regarding to the rupee. Remember, okay, here it is told the total sum of rupees 77. How many coins of each denomination does he have? How many coins of each denomination does he have means how many total these 2 rupees coins and 5 rupees coins are there that Bansi is having. Do you understand what it said? Do you understand the meaning of example? Means if Bansi is having 3 times 2 rupees coins as compared to the 5 rupee, and total suppose he is having 77 rupee, then total how many 5 rupees and how many 2 rupees coins Bansi is having, that we are going to find out over here. Okay, then look how to solve this example. I am going to explain. Listen and try to understand. Look here, what we want to find out over here. Here we want to find out how many 2 rupees and how many 5 rupees coins are there with Bansi. Means Bansi is having, that we will find out. That for that purpose, first of all, what we will do, look here, 3 times as many 2 rupees coins as he has 5 rupees coins. Means suppose we will consider here 5 rupees coins, then we have to multiply by 3, then you will get automatically 2 rupees coins. That is the question and that is the answer also. Remember, means what we will do while solving this example, first of all we will consider 5 rupees coins, and when we will multiply to the 5 rupees coins by 3, then we will get automatically 2 rupees coins. Means suppose we will find out the value which we are going to consider, then that value we will multiply by 3, then we will get the automatically how many 2 rupees coins Bansi has or Bansi is having. Okay, then for that purpose, let the number of 5 rupees coins we will consider which Bansi has x, then the number of 2 rupees coins we will get automatically by multiplying 3. Means we will consider, look here, this page also you have to carry for notes purpose, that's why you look. Let us consider first of all 5 rupee coins. Let us consider 5 rupee coins x. What is considered? Let us consider 5 rupee coins x. Then 2 rupee coins are, suppose 5 rupee coins are x, then 2 rupee coins are, look here, 2 rupee coins are, look here, 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as he has 5 rupee coins. Means whatever 5 rupees coins he is having, we have to multiply to that by 3, then we will get 2 rupees coins. Then 2 rupee coins are 3 into x means what? 3x. Got idea? Means Bansi is having x 5 rupees coins and 3x how many? And 3x 2 rupees coins. Got idea? Okay. Then we will find out now amount. This is the number of coins. This is the number of coins, and number of coins means that when we are getting number of coins, it is not equal to the amount. Remember, we have to convert those coins into the amount. Means how to convert? Look here. I'm going to show you. Listen here. Now the amount Bansi have, the amount Bansi have, number 1. Look here. We will find out first of all the amount of 5 rupees coins. Bansi is having how much amount of 5 rupees coins? Okay. From 5 rupee coins. From 5 rupee coins. Means it, what is meant by this? Now I am finding the amount. Means what? Look here. अगर तुम्हारे पास एक 5 रुपये का कॉइन है तो तुम्हारे पास कितने रुपये है, ऐसा अगर पूछा जाए तो तुम क्या करते हो? कॉइन को 5 रुपये से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो. एम राइट? ओके. अगर तुम्हारे पास 2 रुपये के 5 रुपये के कॉइन है तो तुम्हारे पास कितने रुपये है, ऐसा अगर पूछा जाए तो तुम 2 से क्या करते हो? 5 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हो. तो 2 इंटू 5 10 रुपीज़ है, ऐसे बताते हो. ऐसे ही हमें अमाउंट फाइंड आउट करना है, यानी कि क्या? वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द अमाउंट मीन्स वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई rupee into coins. Rupee into coins. Rupee into coin means rupees 5 into how many coins are there? We have considered x. Means Bansi is having rupees 5x. Got idea? You will understand further. Look here. Then from 2 rupee, from 2 rupee coins, from 2 rupee coins, ये भी कैसे करना है? ₹2 इंटू, गॉट आइडिया? ₹2 इंटू, अभी 2 रुपये के कॉइन्स कितने हैं देखो? 3x इंटू 3x, दैट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? ₹6x. गॉट आइडिया? अंडरस्टूड? ओके. मीन्स when Bansi is having x rupee, look here, it's very important, I'm going to repeat it once again. When Bansi is having 5 rupee, how many coins? X. When Bansi is having 5 rupee x coins, then Bansi is having rupees 5x. And when the Bansi is having 2 rupees 3x coins, then the total rupees are 6x. Rupee 3x, 6x. Got idea? Now look here. Hence the total money he has. Then Bansi is having how many total rupees? Here total rupees is given 77. But first of all we will find out by using this. Hence total rupee Bansi has. What is total rupee Bansi has? 5x is equal to 5x plus 6x. That is equal to how many? 11x. Bansi is having 11x rupees. Now by given condition, got idea? Once again, what is given condition? Look here, total rupees are given. If he has in all a sum of rupees 77, then by using this 77 we will find out how many coins of 5 rupees and how many coins of 2 rupees. तो कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? देखो इधर, by given condition, total rupee how many? 11x is equal to 77. 11x is equal to 77. Okay, 11x, why? Because we have added 5 from 5 rupee coins. How many we got? Look here, how much amount we got here? Rupees 5x. And from 2 rupees coins, how much amount we got here? 6x. Then we have added and we got here 11x. Total amount is what? 11x. Then but total amount is given in the example. What is? 77. Then we have used that condition, 11x is equal to 77. Here we can find easily x. Therefore x is equal to 77 divided by 11. Therefore x is equal to 11 sevens are 11 sevens are. But x means what? Look here. X is nothing but 5 rupee coins. Here 5 rupee coins are, what is, how many 5 rupee coins are there? 7. इधर हमें अमाउंट फाइंड आउट करने के लिए पूछा है. हियर इट इज आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन, how many coins of each denomination does he have? Means we have to find out number of coins only. We got here 5 rupee, 7 coins and 2 rupee coins is equal to, look here, what is 3x, 3 into x, that is equal to, x is what, 3 into 7, that is equal to what, 21. Means Bansi is having 7 5 rupee coins and 21 2 rupee coins. Got idea? ध्यान से देखो, फिर से लिख रहा हूँ मैं, दिखा रहा हूँ इधर. 5 rupee coins 7 and 2 rupee RUPEE and 2 rupee coins, okay, and 2 rupee coins 21. कैसे किया है देखो, फिर से बता देता हूँ, फिर से एग्जाम्पल ध्यान से देखो. Bansi has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as he has 5 rupee coins. Means total number of 5 rupee coins को when we are going to multiply by 3, then we are getting 2 rupee coins. Suppose Bansi is having x rupee, we have considered here x rupee, or in other words we can say, suppose Bansi is having x 5 rupee coins. Suppose Bansi is having x 5 rupees coins, then we have to multiply x to 3, then we are getting 3, means Bansi is having 3x 2 rupee coins. Got idea? Then according to that we found here first of all amount. Amount यानी कि क्या, x into 5, x into 5 what? Because x coins, number of coins. समझो अगर मेरे पास 5 coins है, समझो मैं एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ, समझो सपोज आई एम हैविंग 5 coins ऑफ 5 rupees, 5 coins ऑफ 5 rupees, तो मैं अमाउंट कैसे फाइंड आउट करूंगा, 5 coins को मैं 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो मुझे अमाउंट आता है. इसीलिए वी हैव मल्टीप्लाइड ₹5 into x, then ₹2 into 3x, because 3x total amount of total number of coins are there. Are you getting? Total amount of coins are there, or total number of coins are 3x. That's why we have multiplied by 3x into 2, we got 6x. Then we addition, we got 11x. But total number of rupees are given 77. Then we found here answer. Look here, you will come to know that. Then here we found answer, x is equal to 7 and 3x is equal to 21. Means Bansi is having 5 rupee 7 coins and 2 rupee 21 coins. Got idea? Okay. Once again one example is here. I have written that example also, I will show you. Look here, you will come to know that this is also very simple example. For your better understanding, I have written it already. Look here. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 11. This is number 11. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. Then find these multiples. Then we have to find these multiples. Look here. Means what we have to find out? Multiples means what? You try to understand first of all. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 11. Multiples of 11 means in the table of 11. Means first number suppose 11, then second number 11 into 2, third number 11 into 3, fourth number 11 into 4, like that. Those are known as multiples of 11. Are you getting? Then how to find out? Look here. Solution. Sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 11. Here we don't know which are the multiples. That's why we have to consider the multiples of 11. We will write here. Let us consider the multiple of 11. First of all, we will consider x. Then we can find out second multiple. Then we can find out the third multiple. Because how many multiples are here? 3 multiple. Then we will consider. Let us consider the multiple of 11 is x. Suppose we have considered first multiple is what? X. Then remaining multiples are. Okay. अगर समझो ये फर्स्ट x है तो दूसरा क्या होगा, इसमें x, देखो इधर इधर पहला मल्टीपल हमने क्या किया x, ओके। तो दूसरा फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसमें 11 ऐड करने पड़ेंगे। सपोज पहला मल्टीपल 11 है तो दूसरा मल्टीपल क्या होता है 22 होगा। 22 क्यों होगा, क्योंकि 11 में एक और एक 11 हमने ऐड किए होते हैं, समझ में आ रहा है। क्योंकि हम ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं 11 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए तो 11, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए तो 22, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए तो 33। दोज आर नोन एज द मल्टीपल्स, लाइक दैट। फर्स्ट मल्टीपल इज x, then second multiple x plus 11, and third multiple x plus 11 plus 11, okay। पहला मल्टीपल x, दूसरा मल्टीपल x plus 11, third multiple is x plus 11 plus 11, that is equal to what, x plus 22. Means we got here three multiples, x, x plus 11 and x plus 22. Now we will go to the condition. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. The sum of x, x plus 11 and x plus 22 is what, 363. Then we have to find out those multiples. Then find these multiples. Look here. Now, by given condition. What is given condition? Sum of three multiples, x plus 11 plus x plus 22 is equal to 363. ऐड करो अभी। Therefore x plus x 3x कितने होंगे, x plus x 1 plus 1 plus 1 3x, 11 plus 22 plus 11 plus 22 33 is equal to 363. Therefore 3x is equal to, we will transfer this plus 11 to the RHS. Now it is plus, it will convert into minus. 363 minus 33. Therefore 3x is equal to 363 minus 33, 330. Therefore we want to find out x. Divide this 3 to the RHS. X is equal to 330 divided by 3. Therefore x is equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 300. यानी कि फर्स्ट मल्टीपल वी गॉट हियर x is equal to 110. The multiples are, okay, x is equal to first is what, 110. Then second one x plus 11. X plus 11 is equal to, what is the value of x, 110 plus 11, that is equal to what, 121. And third one, what is third one, look here, x plus 22. Are you getting? X plus 22. What is the value of x, 110 plus 22. What will be the answer, 132. Means those three multiples are 110, 121 and 132. Got idea? Like that we have to find out the answers. Once again I will show you this page only, you have to write in the notes. यही तुम्हें नोट्स में लिखना है, तो ध्यान से देखो नोट्स में क्या लिखना है। यह है पहला एग्जाम्पल आज का, और बाद में हमने ये कंसिडर किया और सॉल्व किया। Look carefully. We got here number of coins 5 rupee, number of coins 7 and 2 rupee number of coins 21. दिस इज सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल। मल्टीपल यानी कि तुम्हें समझ में आना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। मल्टीपल यानी कि वी हैव टू टेक इन दिस टेबल ओनली। टेबल में जैसे नंबर लिखते हैं उसको मल्टीपल बोला जाता है, ओके। लुक हियर, पहला नंबर हमने x कंसिडर किया, दूसरा नंबर उसमें मल्टीपल यानी कि 11 ऐड किए, तीसरा नंबर यानी कि 2 टाइम्स 11 ऐड किए। टोटल एडिशन इज गिवन 363. बाय यूजिंग दैट कंडीशन वी फाउंड द आंसर, ओके। And we got finally the multiples are 110, 121 and 132. I hope so you got idea about this. Remaining examples will continue in the next video. Thank you.